Hello everyone, I'm Judy. Today I will provide you with the right LED screen storage according to application scenarios. For example, for indoor use, we will recommend the indoor LED video wall with a brightness of 500 to 715 CD square meters. And the common scenarios include exhibition halls and information with background walls and command and dispatch centers, and large conference rooms. For systems that are fully exposed to outdoor, such as concerts, commercial plazas, and a large screen in studios, so we will recommend outdoor LED display that can withstand 4,500 to 6,500 CD square meters of direct sunlight and support IP65 dust and water resistance, and can withstand harsh weather conditions in outdoor activities. If you don't know how to choose the LED display suitable for a project, please feel free to consult EagerLED sales team, and we will provide you with the suitable solution. See you in the next video. Bye!